Hello, so this is C A B D I. We are given this radius is 15, DB is 25, and CD is 26. Now goal, find the area divided by 10. The area of the triangle. Okay. So I think this is a naming problem. I don't know from which year, but the idea is you want to use trig. So first step is to draw these 3 lines. Oh, fine, I have to manually draw this one, and then, okay. So now we draw the tangents. Yo, what is wrong with me today? Okay. So the idea is, this is an incenter, right? So we have congruent angles here and here. And therefore these 2 angles are equivalent, right? Why? Because this side is equal, this is 90, and then by AAS, congruence. So we can label this angle alpha, this angle beta, and this angle gamma. So what do we know? Well, if this is alpha, this is beta, and this is gamma, and we also have this is alpha because here these 2 are equal. This is beta because these 2 are equal, and this is gamma because these 2. Then 2 times alpha plus beta plus gamma is 360 because that's the whole thing. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is then equal to 180. Now, we also have our lengths, so we can take tangent alpha is 26 over 15. Tangent beta is 25 over 15, which is 5/3. And then tangent gamma, we don't know this length. I'll just call it X for now. So we have tangents, so that leads us to tangent of this is 0, because tangent of 180 is 0. So what does this give? Well, we can split this into this and this. So tangent alpha plus beta is tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus that. And then we plug in or just 5/3. So what does this give? 51 over 15 down here. So that's negative 17 over 9. So this is negative 9/5. Now in regards to this gamma here, now we can combine this, right? So we have tangent of alpha plus beta plus gamma is -9/5 plus x over 15. And then this part we can ignore because it's 0. And when we multiply that, it's still 0. So you can just take this as 0, meaning x is 27. So semi-perimeter, which is useful for area, for triangles with incenters in incircles, is 25 plus 26 plus 27, right? Well, it's times 2 and then over 2, but that still gives the same thing, right? Because each length shows up twice, here, 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 in pairs. So, yeah, this is just 78, and then radius is 15. So we can actually just multiply those to get the answer. Why? Well, that's just this length times this plus this length times that times this length times that all over 2. Right. So in theory, it's just this. This gives 1/170, so divide that by 10, which remember is here, so that is 1/170. Thank you for watching.